If you have a maintenance box error code like this one popping up on your Epson EcoTank 3700, 3760, 3750, 3800, or 3850, you're not going to want to miss this video. Hey, what is going on? The printer guy here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to reset the waste ink counter on your Epson EcoTank 3700 to 3850. Now, one thing you need to do is remove the maintenance box and replace it with the new one. And I do have videos on this channel showing you how to do that, but you also will want to use a software to reset the waste ink counter. And you can find this software at inkchip.net. I'm going to be linking it down in the description below. Once you go to the website, you can quickly download the software that is compatible with your language. Mine is English, so I'm clicking on English. I'm downloading it to my Windows computer. Very important. You need to have Windows. If you don't, then you won't be able to do this process. So once I have this application downloaded on my computer, I'm going to open it up, click on it, and you're going to say, yes, I want to install the Inkchip software. Once it is fully downloaded onto your computer, you're going to have all of these different applications that pop up. Select your language. And once you select your language, you're going to have this window that pops up. You can click on Waste Ink Counter. Then you're going to select your specific Epson EcoTank model, and what you really need to have is a direct connection, a USB cable that connects from your computer to your printer. Without that connection either, you won't be able to do this. Go back to inkchip.net. This is where we're going to actually click on WIC. We're going to select our specific printer model, and we can apply the 10% off discount code, which is Best Printers. Now, if you have multiple Epson EcoTank printers that you're doing this for, you can buy multiple WIC codes. You're going to be emailed this code, and you're going to copy and paste this code into your software. Once you've selected your Epson EcoTank model, you can then click on Reset Waste Ink Counter. You're going to insert your key that you just purchased that you should have via email, and you will go through a process, and it will take you through a process where you will need to reset the printer. And essentially at that point, once it restarts, you would have totally reset the waste ink counter, which means that you won't get that error code any longer, and you can use your maintenance box for an extended period of time until it gets full again. Now, these numbers here that are showing up on the screen that indicate that there is some usage already in the maintenance box should then show up after the WIC waste ink count reset as zeros. So that means that you are totally reset and you can begin printing normally again. That's really all there is to it. Remember the links down in the description below, the 10% off promo code Best Printers, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked 2 videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.